When you are researching a family rather than an individual, church and funeral home records reach back further and hold more detail than almost any government source. Congregational records routinely document baptisms, marriages, and burials generations before civil registration was consistent, and they name sponsors, witnesses, and family members that no vital record captures. Funeral home records are the underused half of this. A funeral home keeps the arrangement file, and that file typically names the informant, the person who paid, surviving relatives, and the cemetery, which is frequently a more complete family map than the death certificate. Many funeral homes retain these records for decades and will assist a genuine family inquiry. Obituaries give you the survivor list, and cemetery plot deeds tell you who holds the family plot, which points to whoever the family considered responsible. Approach every one of these respectfully. You are asking people to help, not demanding records. Our research team works these sources for families and estates. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.